Tina decided she was going to do a little walking today. We're out on the nature trail. And she's just got to sniff everything. Tina! She says, I'm busy sniffing, Mommy. Tina, you like the walking trail? Hmm? Look at how good she's walking. Good girl, Tina. Don't pull that way.
Going the wrong way.
Tina, we're not going that way.
This way.
We can get her to walk the other way. There you go, Tina. Walk this way. She's like, no, I want to go that way. Come on, Tina. Come on, Tina. Good kitty. Come on. What a good girl. Come on, Tina. Good girl. Good girl. This is cool. What a good Tina. She says, I got to sniff. I don't ever get to walk out here. What is that? Oh, a squirrel. What a good Tina. You gonna be bragging to Kit Kat when you get home? Hey, Kit Kat, I got to go for a nature walk. And they let me walk. All by myself.